Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mine Dogecoin. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here I'm just going to go through this article from this forum, and those are you will need first like to meet some requirements so you can be able to start mining Dogecoin. So the first thing that you will need is the hardware. Means you will need to have a good GPU and a good CPU. And basically, you will need just to have some CPUs or powerful one to be able to start calculating or to all solve the algorithms, and of course the GPU for to handle the rendering for the computer system. And basically, after that, you will need just an application-specific integrated circuits, and basically those devices are designed to mine crypto. And basically, after that, or after getting some good devices or hardware for mining, you will need the mining software. And basically, you will need just to select Dogecoin mining software that is best suited for your hardware, and you can search uh, for other miners or some softwares. You can seek them for the internet, and after that you will need to have a Dogecoin wallet, and for that you can have multiple wallets that you can try to use from Exodus or any wallets that you are using, etc. So basically, after you choosing the wallets that you want to use, you will need just to choose the mining method. And basically, there are several mining methods. There is the solo mining, the pool mining, and the cloud mining. And those are the steps for Dogecoin mining. First, you will need just to have the hardware. After that, you have the software. You join a mining pool, and then you connect your mining hardware to the pool, and you set up your wallet, and now you are able to start mining. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.